Hello everyone and welcome to the KMTRADERS channel. We're looking at Euro USD. So very important week that we've had obviously last week. A lot of downfall with the US dollar, so a lot of weakness in this pair. But as we can see, we've had that huge push to the downside from a firm rejection of this level here. I believe it is roughly at 1.1400. So we're looking for a big descent to the downside. So in the current price action that we can see here, we are bearish. So I'm just going to focus on bearish momentums for this particular pair, and then we'll look at how to get into a possible buying position as well. So in this bottom zone that we've got here, it's at 1.10757 to 1.10555, and essentially what I'll be looking for obviously is a big closure to the downside followed by a pullback. So we're looking for that weakness essentially, and then following that bearish momentum. So I will be looking to pay a further interest in this bearish momentum and see how much we can fall and continuate this bearish structure. But in the mid-week of the up-and-coming trading week, we have some important news regarding US dollar. So the FOMC statement, and what we could potentially see is the US dollar weakening. So that would mean that the euro would strengthen against this dollar, so we could be looking at some bearish pressure. So if we are able to close above this zone here, we could be looking at some potential buying opportunities. So this zone is at 1.12219 to 1.11970, and essentially what I'll be looking for is that push to the upside followed by that pullback, and following another bullish pressured candle, and we could be looking to target the range of this high that we currently made, so anywhere in the region of 1.1500. So in that level we could be expected to touch that and go way beyond. So just looking at those two areas really, so if you want to put those in your chart, make sure you check those areas very closely, especially on the 4-hour time frame. And not also to mention, check out the make sure you're watching the news on Wednesday. Obviously pay attention towards the economics as well. One final thing as well, just check out our Instagram, and we post our updates and analysis on there, so if you want to give that a follow, that would be absolutely great. So thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.